Light fixture renewal work. Renewal of light fixtures is work to convert them to LED. Replace incandescent lamps with LED lamps. Due to the lights off work, we will arrange a guide and work in a short time. The removed signal lights will be dismantled on the spot. Preparing to lift the new lantern. Dismantling the lamp. Light fixtures are installed at the specified height. Following the pedestrian lights, the vehicle lights are hoisted. I'm having a hard time here because it has an image-based vehicle detector. The angle of the lamp is adjusted with the adjustment bracket. Make sure no other screws are loose. Move the vehicle to the next pillar. Replacement work takes about 1 hour to 1.5 hours at one location. Unplug the lamp wire from the terminal box. Vehicle lights are out. The lantern is removed from the pole. Balance on a rope from below. There is an LED type arrow lamp under the resin lamp. Resin lamps are fragile and will break easily. Check the wiring again before installing the new lamp. The box in which the lamp came in is used like this. The bulb-type resin lamp was made by Matsushita in 1981. The arrow lamp is 300 Phi made by Koito Industry. Pedestrian lights have also been removed and lowered. New pedestrian lights are hoisted. When the pedestrian lights are finished, the vehicle lights are lifted. We will decide the position by considering the direction and height. Determine the direction of the pedestrian lights. Vehicle lights can be fine-tuned with adjustment fittings for easy viewing. Once the cables are neatly tied up, you're done. The loading platform is full with the removed lamp and arm. Finally, clean up the site and go home. This is the replacement work of the signal light device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Contributing to society with traffic safety facilities.